Jenna. Man feel like a champ right now. Yeah. Smiling to the bank right now. Now I'ma tell the world, tell them. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
So, today's a good day outside.
Gang, real shit, you know we. Now I'ma tell the world, tell them. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. You don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a them? How me talk?
Don't put me on your vlog.
I'm saying I come up on vlog, come across now.
Yeah, there's something different.
We're going on the road this morning. I think we're going to the aquarium.
Lean up on your man car. Clean.
Ah,
Hey.
the ocean bodybuilding.
Hey, yeah.
My nigga.
Make love to the camera. Hey.
Okay. Yeah guys, so we're going on the road this morning. We had breakfast already. Oh, she wake up and make breakfast this morning and stuff, so that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing now. I should say good morning to you vlog.
Good morning, guys. So
today's a good day outside.
Gang, real shit, you know we.
see, the sun is out at this moment.
Yes, the weather is good today.
Hot,
And
hot.
be more bit.
And we hot.
Wow.
At least me not cool. My phone.
Hot wipe me too. Take it my
Your
ocean
phone?
phone.
Me and my same phone.
Oh.
Portrait.
So they're taking. Oh, you guys gotta take a cute ass picture of me today too. Yes. What Jeremy say? Cause enough. You look good today though. I'm sure you look. And this is what Ocean has on. She looks good.
Really?
Those are the friends you need to take pictures like that, Monica.
Hey.
Jeremy, no, like that. Share vlog on my phone.
Oh, yeah, finally.
Boss chick, you that. Them now fi yak so that. Stand up, well at. Dress back, she no regular girl. No regular. My girl, no regular girl. No regular. She's no regular girl. She no regular.
Come on, guys. Come on. It's a smurf and I'm blue. Let me show you what the inner.
Oh, I can do it again. I did. Outfit of the day. Small waist and thick ties. The booty on the back and bathing. The people them wife.
Nah, show no more.
Guys, like this is the most miserable guy I know. Like my nigga is so miserable.
Okay, so you need to follow up with you are very annoying. Very annoying. Like the man where you end up there with for one that you need to come good like mentally you must be strong.
He mentally stimulate me so.
You mentally still stimulate you. Okay.
What kind of back road is Jermaine? Oh, she didn't say the back road.
So you're complaining about everything. I'm not going to curse you, but you're complaining about
Other church? You're not going to church up here?
I'm sorry.
I look at church in here too, so I'm church also. Yeah, so right now we are going to the car wash. We're going to get the car clean before we... So you said in the barbecue. The barbecue that was the fun is yeah, so we were planning on doing the KFC challenge.
KFC challenge.
Yeah.
KFC.
Where we taste it to compare it with the Jamaican one, because you know that people always complain that Jamaican one is the best worldwide and the American one not taste good. So we did one taste it.
It tastes like shit.
But the one where they close to a lot.
It tastes like shit.
You eat a lot of that, right? Sorry. That's too far.
I see why I have to be disrespectful to you.
And it is germs.
We are called germs.
I don't mean some of me like germs.
You just call me germs. I'll be a style, you style me. It's all good. Anyway, I just do me a do for your vlog, make your vlog entertaining. Like, one touch.
Something that, yeah, oh, inside up here they don't have like barbecue, like worldwide. I didn't know this, like worldwide original is like the only original thing on the menu. Each country is different. So I learned something new about that. So
from 2013, that's teacher. Every day my teacher has something new from 2013.
He's a smart guy in school, for real.
In school, not in life.
He was the brains.
Yeah, he's a smart guy.
I was the driving force because them lazy. Say it. And like when me have to get miserable upon them for them do what them supposed to do, and them say I'm miserable. No, because if me I do good and you there around me, I want you do good too. Me don't want you to be lazy.
Such a good guy.
Them lazy.
So we used to
Especially the one in the back.
we used to like we used to like go over and out. I would study all night and stuff like
No.
that. And Jeremy make sure so we get it right. Look. I bottom of that chair. One under the seat. One ice mean something with it. When you see it? Under the chair. You see it?
You have cash? You have money?
Yeah.
You have money? See this, it's my last one. My watch on my phone, I can't find it.
Yeah, oh, me see it on the phone say like set up with your iPhone now.
Oh, that find my iPhone, that's supposed to set up automatically.
So you wouldn't just put in your email?
Oh, you find that nice?
And that's it. You know,
That-
good.
It's good, but
My
yeah,
spot-
long
the
time
spot-
it dead like
But the spot there under there, so
like
you kill me.
it was there, so come and let them just drop on them if you have to take it out. No, them
I like the red one. The red one now. Give me this.
So the morning Skylifers is gonna have to check in with the females them. As I say, we got the talks them too, you know, Zane. Not checking with the females them. So we kind of dry. Sorry, ladies. Yeah, but
Hey guys, subscribe to check out my Instagram page, my fitness channel, Skylife Fitness Solution. I'm doing good over there, my nigga.
yeah, but you like cold.
What? When I go down back, never set myself in order. I'm like losing 10 pounds.
Yeah, I know what like going down breast.
What? Well, I weight down in my breast
Yeah, never know.
and in my booty.
Yeah, how booty?
But yeah, I get big man.
Yo, anyway. I know so somebody else see this and get jealous. No, because let's help you with
Get jealous.
Make sure you put this in there too.
Why would they get jealous, man?
Bro, hold on there. What the fuck? I can't get the right phone. Anyway. You don't have money for me. Oh, I'm not having money. When?
When I get it.
So, I'm. Oh, me I gonna get it. No, oh, me I gonna get it.
If you get money. Why you talk about this money for?
Because money people them say, yeah, you owe money.
We're business
is-
people.
Me no want you send me onto paper and card them take them thief. You might take $50 for one simple transaction.
All I do.
Hey, can I do the oh shoot, what's it, the Blockbuster? Yeah.
Yeah, so they care what.
Let me do the you don't have that one anymore. Let me give me the vanilla.
I care what you do. Let my turn.
Yo. If I said we're going somewhere, I know we're at somewhere, but wouldn't we be at that place that I said I'm going to?
I don't know if you like that.
You too, man. Take care.
Vanilla like some ice cream. What's a vanilla?
Breaking to the car.
Okay.
I'm gonna use.
Shut the mouth up inside. I don't think I just
Push the chair, the gloves and something them over that side. Well, no, put them on the seat.
So we gotta get out.
Can you just relax?
Just the glove and the shoes and
Yeah, no, like everything on there except the garbage. Leave the garbage on the floor. Take up the red, them red something.
I'll check back in with you. I have some work to do. Hold on, something here. This is inside the car wash, guys.
No, them know it. Let me just put it right here, sir. Ready?
Ever been on one car wash before? You don't think they're interested in something like this actually?
This is our function.
What number be?
Just do what you have to do. Why the window down?
Let's jump! As a matter of fact, you can't play because we're not going to put no music here.
You can put your own music here. You just leave your own in front of videos.
Firm and strong, them can't ever get through the way. Whole heap of real you, me see them try tie down. Me know them can't tie down me. Man boss way and rich, now them want see man lie down. Me know them can't tie down me. Unruly we not feel. Tell them we no fail. Them want we forgot jail. Pop skull no be no.
So guys, right now we're in the waiting area, waiting on the car. Go clean out in this and stuff. It's just amazing how Americans do things. Like, this is a car wash and they make good money here. And they invested in technology to make this thing run smoothly. And it's a family. Look how much of them work for one car. Latinos, I gotta love them. I gotta love them. You know? Look how everything I work on. See them? 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6. I will leap at them. I'm going good.
But like this, I know things them I do. See she has clean the window. Them a vacuum out. Them a put alcohol on the tire.
But what I'm saying is, remember, so that is one person who does one person does that and the wash and dry. The only difference is the time.
So much of them money attacking the car. Depending on the market, their target. Some people you on the.
Oh, but yeah, people with the phone.
Then do this, then play that if I can.
These people attack the car like a beast. They attack the car. I like how they do things. I like how they do things. They work together. I like that.
Little light skin girl, yeah. The way you a wine girl, make me have to stop everything. Me want to in a wifey, pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean beauty. Love when I jiggle right now, yeah. That's my day. Me love you, believe me. Love how your waistline a go round. Love how your waistline a go round, girl. Love how your waistline a go round. Go round, girl. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, baby. Wine for me, wine for me, wine.
You're talented, yes.
We're not the same thing. I'm fucking amazing. Make them insane, wonder where them blazing. When you tell them, why you don't try me? Can't style long time, you can't style me. I talk about the little things where you buy me. I can bring back everything I've been hiding. But how you for them without you? They can't call my man waste man. A good girl like me, you got cheap man. Seems like say the truth, you a straight from. Cause all I want a next chance, you a wait fan.
No, she say you're the red man. I'm not the gonna be a worst man.
don't be mad, just girl, I beg you. I beg you, I beg you. I be number one, give me number two. Two plus two, give me number one. Don't be mad, just girl, I beg you. I beg you, I beg you.
Why if that's straight, yeah? I thought they say Jamaica everything for why.
Everything for why?